So hello people, how you going today? And today I have some Iraqi banknotes. Now these are the last issued under Saddam Hussein. So these were issued between 2001 and 2003 when the Americans overthrew the government. And new banknotes were issued in 2004. So here we have the man himself, Saddam Hussein. And this banknote is the 25 dinars. So this was the lowest banknote at the time. And with a value of about 1,000 dinars equals $1, this was equivalent to about 2.5 cents. Okay, so we have, not too sure, maybe it's some type of placement device where you measure them. Astrolabe, that's what they're called. Where you measure where you are compared to the stars in the sky and the horizon. Okay, here we have the date down here. It's 2001, 1422, which is the Arabic date, and we have lots of Arabic inscriptions. Okay, we have the serial number, and this is also part of the serial number up here as well. Okay, no security features on this. Now this one, these issues were poorly printed. It's like equivalent of printing something on your printer. They're quite easily to reproduce even at the time period of 2000s. And these were either printed in China or Iraq itself. Now on the reverse we have the Ishtar Gate, which this is actually a reproduction where is it? Somewhere around Babylon. Actually, no, somewhere around Babylon. And the original one is in Berlin. And we have the Lion of Babylon. So the Ishtar Gate, I can't remember who it was produced by, but it was dedicated to the god Ishtar. And these were Akkadian people, and I think the Sumerian god is Inanna, probably. Should have researched that before I done the video. Anyway, on the top, Central Bank of Iraq, 25 dinars. Okay, next one we have 100 dinars, which would have 2002, which would have been worth about 10 cents US. And the same thing, we just have a typical Islamic pattern. So here's something. Now this is trying to be a security feature. As you can see, broken up patination on writing. So it's trying to be a security feature. Watermark. What's a watermark on 20? It's very hard to see. The watermark's actually pretty faint, but they're usually like eagles. So I can't see the watermark on that, even if I hold it up to pure light. Saddam Hussein again. And on the reverse is Shamals of old Baghdad. So this is just the old area of Baghdad. You can see the buildings old and the actual plaster is actually falling off. Yeah, so then we have the 250 dinars, which is about 25 cents. This is 2002 as well. And this was actually the highest banknote that was supposed to circulate in Iraq. They do it at 10,000, but this was only supposed to be interbank transfers only, but because of corruption and that, they got out into circulation. So here we have. Now these do not have any value in Iraq anymore. They've been demonetized. But most likely because they have a dictator no one likes in there. Oh, maybe half the population does like, but half doesn't. Anyway, we have the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem on this side. And this feature is common on currencies outside of Israel and Palestinian territories. Now this one does have a security thread, and it has, oh, it's a bit hard to tell, looks like flowers or something. And the highest denomination was the 10,000 dinars. Now on the front has the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, which is this. And this tower, clinometer for astronomy and navigation. No, that's the other side. And it has 2 security numbers. There's 0135. As Saddam Hussein, and it has this. So they tried to actually include a good security feature in this, which is a metallic thread, but as you can see, it's of poor quality itself. It would have been quite easy to actually reproduce this security feature. Any more security features? No. On this side, it has the Arabic astrolabe, and that's in Baghdad. So this was worth about 10 US dollars when it was produced. It does have a security thread as well and a watermark. So this one's actually pretty poor itself as well. So those are the last banknotes issued under Saddam Hussein. I hope you like these banknotes. Pretty cheap to get on eBay now. Don't believe any hype about, oh, these are investment banknotes, Iraqi banknotes will actually include, increase in value and all that shit. Sorry. Yeah, that is not true. So thank you very much for watching and have an awesome day.